Hi guys, welcome to DoingMarie. My name is Marie. So today I'm going to show you how I do my hot oil treatment. So I got here in this jar. Let me see how I can show the best. So in this jar I got my oil. This is a cold pressed grapeseed oil, and I have lots of herbs in here, and it's been sitting on these herbs for like 4 weeks, and now I'm gonna pour it all in this bottle and then leave it in a hot water for it to get hot. So let me show you. So I'm choking. I got amla powder in here, fenugreek seed powder, I got henna powder, I got that is the Senegalese raw henna powder without any ink, I believe it's called, you know, the black ink that they use for like drawing your hand with henna. None of that. And I got some castor oil, grapeseed oil, hibiscus leaves, some green tea, some, you know, the herb of green tea. I just poured the sack in here, and some of, oh, I put a lot of things in here. But anyway, it's been sitting here for like 4 weeks, so it's all soaked in, all the goodness. So I'm just gonna pour it in this bottle. Show you how I do it. I'm not sure it's the best way to do this. Okay, so you guys can see this. So I'm just gonna take the oil and I'm just gonna pour it in here. Can you see the color? And that is more than enough. Don't mind my face, I got my face mask on. And so that is what it is. And so I got this small pan. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yes, it's a small pan, and I'm just gonna pour in some hot water, and I'm gonna add this thing right in here. Hopefully it stays. It's all sealed anyway, so I'm gonna leave it in there to stay for like 5-10 minutes, and then I will put it on my hair and then put my head wrap. I put my shower cap and my head wrap and all that good stuff. I will show you guys in a bit. Bye. So here I am, guys. I have removed my face mask, and now I'm gonna do my hot oil treatment. It's been over 10 minutes and my oil has been sitting. That's the color of the oil. It's been sitting in this little pan with hot water, so I'm gonna remove it now and apply it onto my hair. Well, let's do hair. I don't do this often, like hot oil treatment. I love applying the oil just on my hair, just like that, but hot oil treatment is always, yeah, I always forget to do it. So whenever I remember, like a night like this, Friday night, then I will definitely do it. So I'm not gonna make a fuss about it. I'm just gonna, ooh, yes, I can feel it. I should have maybe tested on my hand first, but luckily it's not too hot. Yes, my scalp is definitely saturated, and now I'm just gonna apply it on the ends of my hair mainly. And I'm just gonna retwist this section. Done, so I'm just going to stimulate my scalp a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply my hair cap. First of all, in this one first, I'm gonna apply this. Is like a really strong one. It's actually for children, but it's really strong. So I'm gonna apply this one. Don't judge me, don't judge me. And then on top of all that, I'm gonna apply this wrap. When I deep condition, I follow exactly these steps when it comes to wrapping my head. So that's it. And so that's it really for me, guys. That is me doing my hot oil treatment. It's very simple. It takes a little bit of time, you know, 10 minutes or less if you're quicker. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you are new, and I know you are new because obviously this channel is new, so don't forget to subscribe. Of course, support your girl by subscribing and commenting and liking and sharing and do all the good stuff. And I will see you into my next video. Bye.